status?
We've reached a resolution of this matter.
Okay.
The state is going to be amending count 1 to a class A misdemeanor by striking the prior language. They're going to be amending the information to add count 2, which will be a violation of a protective order, a class A misdemeanor on or about October 11th. I have prepared the paperwork. There's also an agreement between the parties to jointly recommend GPS monitoring in lieu of any in-custody jail time. I've explained my client before, it's not bound to all that, but that's what both parties will be asking at the time of sentencing.
Okay.
If I may approach, I have the paperwork and it explains, these are the entries of no contest please, the factual basis. Is this in here sufficient? Okay. The parties I think are in stipulation as to the factual basis in the paperwork, since we're amending information.
Which case, Ms. Reagan?
That is our agreement.
All right, so I'll grant the state's motion to amend count 1, making that a class A misdemeanor, and then we're adding an additional count, class A misdemeanor violation of protective order. I guess you'll prepare the information on that.
We can file that, and that's October the 11th.
Okay, October 11th. So regarding those two counts, then, Mr. Young is hearing of your intent to plead no contest today, is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
The state has no objection to a no contest plea.
No.
Do you feel like you've had enough time to speak with counsel regarding those pleas?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions at all?
No, just, I don't know how,
We'll get to that point maybe as we go on. All right, are you under the influence of alcohol during prescription today, which would hinder your ability to understand what you're doing?
no,
And I'm sure that Ms. Perez has done all the rights with you that you'd be waiving by pleading no contest or guilty. They're also set forth in the statement. Do you understand those rights?
yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions on that?
No.
All right, and you've signed it. You're satisfied, you understand the right to be waiving by pleading no contest today?
Yes, sir.
Not to question your citizenship, but I plead guilty to impact on any citizenship issues that might come up as well. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You do have a right to withdraw your plea prior to sentence being pronounced. You also have a right of appeal, however, it's limited when you plead no contest or guilty. You understand that? The maximum penalty for class A misdemeanors, 1 year at the Utah County Jail, up to a $2,500 fine plus surcharge and fees. They can run consecutively, meaning one after the other. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, Your Honor.
By pleading no contest or guilty, you're relieving the state of its obligation to prove all elements of the charges beyond a reasonable doubt to a jury. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right, let's get a factual basis here.
Your Honor, if the court will accept the factual basis as written out, that covers both matters, since it's not.
Okay. Basically what it says is on or about March 3rd of 2014 and October 11th of 2015 in Utah County, Utah. You were subject to a protective order and intentionally and knowingly violated that order after having been properly served. That's correct?
He won't be admitting, but he would.
Oh, that's right. As I anticipate a no contest plea, your approval is not needed, but those will be the facts to substantiate the charges. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right. You also need to be aware the court is not a party to any agreement your attorney might have with the state. At sentencing time, it will be my decision and mine alone, based upon recommendations, statements given, those kinds of things. But other than what's been set forth on the record, has anything been promised to you to get you to plead no contest or guilty today? Do you have any second thoughts or hesitations about what you're doing? I'll make a finding then that you don't understand the rights you're waiving by pleading no contest or guilty, that you're doing it knowingly, intentionally, and voluntarily today. As to count 1 violation of a protective order, class A misdemeanor, what is your plea?
No contest.
And count 2 violation of a protective order,
No contest.
class A misdemeanor, what is your plea?
No contest.
Okay. I'll accept and receive your no contest pleas. What about sentencing? Referring matter?
Yes, Your Honor, and he is requesting a January date because he works with the weather change at a busy time for him.
Okay. Stay okay with that?
That's fine.
He's going to waive the time for sentencing today? I'll refer the matter to adult probation and parole for the preparation of an MSGR. So that means you'll need to get to their office no later than 4 o'clock tomorrow. Provide them the information they need to complete it this morning. I can put you on for January 4th or January 11th.
January 11th,
Okay, January 11th at 9:30 for sentencing.
Okay, and then when I go to probation or whatever, they tell you that I went there? I don't have to bring back anything?
They'll tell me either way, but I'll have a report and they'll send a letter if you don't go saying that you never showed up, so make sure you're there. And we'll look for that amended information.